Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to check NECO Result. Using phone, remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your phone. As you can see, ISM on iPhone, so I will go to Safari. Once you are on your browser, type NECO Results. Now go to the first link. Then you will see this kind of page. Type in your details. Enter your examination year, examination type. Then type your token number and registration number. Right now, I am entering random digits as a purpose of this video. Once you are done entering all the information, tap on Check Results. It will take few seconds to load. As you know, that I entered invalid data, so the website will not provide me any results. I just entered random information, so this data is not available here. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels use. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.